Okay, we got Ella and Jacob inside this hurricane simulator. It's supposed to go 78 miles per hour. They paid their $2. Okay, let's see if it's gonna happen. Oh my God. Oh, I hear some noise. Okay, I'm scared. Woo! Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Okay, he's hanging on for dear life. Woo! Oh my goodness. They're still alive. 78 miles per hour, guys. Holy mackerel. Woo! Okay, let's see. All right, they're hanging on. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Wow, they survived this hurricane simulator. I love it. Signing off, it's Karen Martz, and here's Ella. Hair still looking good. Jacob, you got your hat?
Yes.
All right, guys, you're the best. Have a great day.